Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce a powerful and flexible open architecture audio processor, PUMA XD1616. With a design of software modularization, algorithm modularization, and hardware modularization, it allows for the free assembly of functional algorithm modules and the design of operational logic. It is mainly used for sound reinforcement in large conferences, sports venues, multifunctional halls, command centers, auditoriums, etc., to provide customized services. This series features a brand new ID design characterized by a lively and streamlined style. The front panel clearly displays the device name and IP address, helping users quickly connect to the control software. These are a power indicator, a Linux system status indicator, and audio signal indicators for the analog input-output channels. The rear panel has a rich configuration of I/O interfaces supporting dual Ethernet ports, RS-232, and GPIO bidirectional control, enabling connections to central control systems and other devices. USB-A and USB-B ports. The system supports a maximum of 16 analog inputs and 16 analog outputs, with each channel using balanced 3-pin Phoenix connectors. The built-in main and backup Dante network audio transmission modules support a maximum of 64 Dante inputs and 64 Dante outputs, allowing easy implementation of Dante AOIP with just one network cable, featuring high bandwidth, high fidelity, high compatibility, low latency, low cost, flexible expansion, and centralized management. The PUMA XD1616 offers professional-grade audio quality with a sampling rate of 48 kHz and a sampling depth of 24 bits. The common mode rejection ratio is 60 decibels, minimizing interference from connection cables. The maximum input-output level is 20 decibels U. The PUMA XD1616 is equipped with ADI 40-bit high-speed floating-point DSP chips, ARM chips, and high-performance A/D and D/A chips, and operates on a Linux-based system to harness the powerful audio processing capabilities of the ADI chips. Through our software and hardware R&D capabilities, we provide a wealth of audio algorithms, greatly increasing freedom and creativity, which will be reflected in the continuous upgrades and iterations of the product. The control software features a brand new UI design, embodying our style of liveliness and streamlined aesthetics. It has an open signal flow design with drag and drop algorithm modules for flexible functionality, achieving software modularization. The visual user design interface and user control interface easily meet customer needs. Entering the software interface, the left sidebar is the design component area, which contains the interface components and audio components. In the interface components, you can see 16 analog input channels and 16 analog output channels, 64 Dante inputs and 64 Dante outputs, as well as a USB port for playback and recording. In the audio components, where you will find automatic gain control, ambient noise compensator, automatic mixer, acoustic notch feedback controller, acoustic echo canceller, parametric equalizer, graphic equalizer, FIR high-pass filter, compressor, noise gate, peak limiter, priority ducker, mixer, signal generator, delay, and so on. Both Dante channels and local analog channels can utilize these audio components, maximizing the use of DSP resources. It supports 48-volt phantom power, allowing connection to various condenser microphones. The input channels provide microphone preamps with a maximum gain of 60 decibels, ensuring high signal-to-noise ratios, low noise, and accurate sound quality reproduction. The signal generator component mainly for testing the entire system's connectivity, eliminating the need for additional test audio signals, providing great convenience for engineers. This area serves as a designer interface where you can drag components from the sidebar onto the interface. Each small dot on a component represents a channel. You can select and drag these dots with your mouse to connect them to the next component, completing the routing in an intuitive manner, allowing for the customization of a specific system for a specific need. In addition to customizing the audio system, it also allows for tailored user control interface for customers. Designer and UCI software support, Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu, iOS, Android system platforms. This means users can operate an audio system specifically designed for their needs using a custom user control interface. Returning to the PUMA Designer software, drag in the component, select its controls, drag it into the UCI user control interface, allowing you to design your own UI interface.